something that looks nice. Which is
Amazing. Yeah, this is the place. Hello. Table for 2 people, please. Tuck in. Looks really good. Oh my god. You like it when rice has a lot of sauce.
yeah. I don't like white rice when it's by itself.
This is a feast. You might have to help me.
Single, majestic, proud roast potato. You'll happily eat.
No, sure.
Even that was a
Potato
bit
on its
crazy.
own is a bit dry.
Well,
I know.
I imagine very crudely, you just had 2
They even have dragon fruit here. It's really lovely, isn't it?
a bit warm.
Yeah. I know. Place to sit. Yeah.
So this photo is actually Billy 3 out of 24 seconds, basically taking an image every 24, every sort of foot.
Yeah.
It might be that. So,
Is this the place?
imagine the light frequency was 96.
it was painted. It was a tribute to Bowie after he passed away. And the glass frame was put up much later.
I think there was less bars back then.
Oh, that used to be a Starbucks. Now it's done, gone. Get some of this. These are Ottolenghi's pasta. You can smell the lemon. Temperature 29.9. It's nearly 30. Well, at least tomorrow it's going to be cooler. 30! Oh my god! Captured on camera too! Oh my god! Oh.